Hey, my name is Kenny Johnston. Today is July 27th. I'm pre-recording a brief overview of the section content for the group conversation tomorrow for the ops section. I'm going to just jump right in through the slides. I'll start with the content is generally organized around these 6 different topics: an overview of the section, general updates, gratitude, places where we're thankful for team members outside of the section, exciting things we're working on, recent accomplishments, and then an overview of our metrics and OKRs. I'll jump into this content overview slide, which links to many different portions of the deck, and I'll just talk about my kind of personal content highlights. The first in our accomplishments, I'm really excited about our ZOS support for Runner. This has been a long time coming and something that actually gives us a good competitive advantage against GitHub, in that we can support IBM and other mainframe operating environments and allow our users to run GitLab Runner and GitLab CI and those types of environments. So super exciting. Another one is also a really great evolution. I didn't have a specific thing to point to, but there's a general sense of GitLab's package stage features being more competitive against Artifactory, and we're actually seeing that play out in customer or in prospect deals where they're actually asking how can we remove Artifactory from our sprawling tool chain and just use GitLab's package capabilities. So super exciting to see that evolution and kind of a proof point of the payoff of our investment into package. And then we're also seeing, have recently moved alert and incident management in our monitor stage to minimal, and we're continuing to add, I think the incident management actually just became viable. We're continuing to add capabilities. They are really a great way to showcase to GitLab users interested in a single DevOps platform how you can kind of truly close the loop and have your alerts and incidents show up in GitLab so your set of team members can collaborate on resolving those incidents and really follow through with ensuring that the after action of those incidents results in improvements to your application itself. We recently added in the metrics section a product performance indicator page specifically for the ops section, and have started to outline and also have content for specific charts for the SMAUs in each stage, as well as starting to add GMAU numbers for each one of the groups in the section. So check that out. It will continue to evolve. We're actually doing a ops section PI review next week, so we'll have another video of that recording to come. Lots of great direction updates from analyst conversations and insight from customers that have happened, and there's a section where it kind of highlights the key MRs and commits that have happened to the ops section direction page, including a voiceover by yours truly of the content and how it's structured that was recently published. In our gratitude section, super thanks to Grant Young, who contributed the MVC for load testing, adding a whole new product category. This is part of a dogfooding initiative where the quality team was thinking of using this specific tool, and they didn't just use it themselves, they actually added it to the product. So not only GitLab gets to benefit from that investment on their part, but all of our customers do. So super thanks to Grant and his contribution there. Things we're excited about that are up and coming. We've got code coverage for groups, and this is something that I've highlighted on a number of different occasions. I highlighted it in the kickoff, the most recent kickoff. It's really critical to me because I think today we're slightly lacking in our tier value in the verify stage, and I really, I kind of stand behind this notion that there shouldn't be any large customer who has the kind of director and C-level buy-in to using GitLab as their platform that is using GitLab CI that is not on Ultimate. We should be adding a lot of value into that tier that should showcase why there are capabilities that kind of span just the individual projects and groups that are important for why you should choose Ultimate, not just having Ultimate be ending up kind of having the key pillars be secure, geo, and plan or epic management that it is today. So really excited about this code coverage for groups. It's starting to add tiers, and there's a clear vision that James and the testing group are driving to continue to add capabilities in higher tiers in the verify stage. And then we also have a MVC coming in this iteration around the GitLab Kubernetes agent. The agent does not just do kind of traditional GitOps style workflows. It also will enable some more broad-based connections into GitLab when you have a cluster attached super excited about that. It solves one of the key pain points that we found with people using our existing Kubernetes management integration, and that was kind of the security paradigm that you'd have to end up giving GitLab a little bit too much of your security, a little bit too much control over that cluster. And so the agent is a well-known pattern for enabling you to lock down the agent specifically, but still allow GitLab access to the cluster. Lastly, I always end with a closing slide of International Day. It's International Hepatitis Day tomorrow. A reminder that you know, coordinated efforts, especially in today's world with the pandemic going on, coordinated global healthcare efforts are what it takes to eradicate disease. And then a little shout out, tomorrow is also my sister Julie's birthday, so happy birthday, Julie Monum. That's it. Excited to answer your questions tomorrow, and I look forward to the conversation. Thanks, everyone. Take care.